2014, and Prestige is a motorcycle draw. We drew 3 names, and we had 1 response, and here's the winner. The winner, this one is for the half-day tour, I believe, and here it is. Can you see that okay? Perfect. Okay, now, that means that we have 2 draws that we're going to conduct today. Again, open the box. Lots of ballots here. We'll get Felix to come back here. Make him famous on TV. And pull a name. Let's see. Now this is going to be for the one-day motorcycle rental. All right? And the winner is Keith Griffin. That's Keith Griffin. How's this? Can you see it? A little bit lower. Keith Griffin, come and collect your one-day prize. And again, remember, we have 3 days to claim it. Pull another one. Now this is for the one-day tour. And the winner for the one-day tour, Krista Rocks. That's Kristash Rocks. I'll let you, there we go. So, Krista, if that's you, if that's you, you'll know if it's you. And Keith, you have 3 days. Today is November the 29th, and so that gives us, you have till the 30th, the 1st, and on the 2nd, if we haven't received a response from you, then we're going to draw another 2 names so we can give away some prizes. It's taking a bit longer than I thought, but you know what, folks, at least we're getting it done because we're so bloody busy because we're right into our season right now. So thank you for watching, and send your friends. Welcome to Prestige Motorcycle Tours and Rentals, where we can make it happen. Just love us.